The Bombay High Court came down heavily on activist Manoj Jarangi Patil and his supporters for the Maratha reservation agitation at Azad Maidan, which paralyzed traffic in Mumbai on Monday. The court has ordered the protesters to vacate the site by noon today and directed that no more than 5,000 people could stay there. But Manoj Jarangi has been pressing for a 10% quota and declared that he would not leave Mumbai until the demand is met. The situation, we're told, is grim and the city of Mumbai has been practically brought to a standstill. Radhika Ramaswamy is tracking the latest for us. She now joins us from ground zero at the moment. Let's get you the latest from Mumbai. It's over to you, Radhika.
Thank you, Parameshwar. Maratha agitation had virtually paralyzed the city over the last few days. I am at a CST station where you can see even now people have thronged. Maratha activists and supporters have been thronging the streets, South Mumbai streets. In fact, traffic had been crawling for hours across Marine Drive, CST, Churchgate and Fort over the last few days. In fact, businesses and commercial districts have also been encountering heavy losses as a result of this agitation that you're seeing. Of course, the Bombay High Court has come down heavily on the agitation. They've called it disruptive and ordering that all blocked roads in South Mumbai, including this one, be cleared by 4 p.m. today. So categorical observations and instructions given by the Bombay High Court to clear the streets, and while also directing the state to prevent more protesters from entering the state or rather the city, and to ensure that Jarangi Patil receives medical attention if needed. Those are the directives, of course, issued by the Bombay High Court. At the heart of this agitation is activist Manoj Jarangi Patil, who is continuing his agitation and protest inside Azad Maidan, which is the designated point of protest. But you can see here there is a lot of ruckus being created by the Maratha activists, and they are hell-bent on it. They're adamant that they will not stop these protests unless their demand for 10% OBC quota is met with. As far as the government is concerned, yes, there are multiple meetings and deliberations happening. In fact, yesterday, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis also spoke about how court's directives will certainly be followed by the state, but at the same time, there will be deliberations on how, they can be granted the quota under the constitutional and legal framework. So yes, Cabinet Subcommittee had been meeting almost every day to ensure that some solution is reached. But the fact remains that several of these activists continue to stage agitation, protest and demonstration across South Mumbai, and they say they will not back down until the reservation demands are met. Let's cut straight across to what Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis said yesterday.
सांगितलेलं आहे की जी काही परवानगी होती ती परवानगी काही अटी शर्तींचा होती, त्याचं उल्लंघन झालेलं आहे आणि विशेषतः रस्त्यावर जे काही गोष्टी चाललेल्या आहेत त्या संदर्भात कोर्टाने प्रचंड नाराजी व्यक्त केलेली आहे आणि काही निर्देश हे दिलेले आहेत. जे काही कोर्टाचे निर्देश आहेत ते पालन करणं हे प्रशासनाला क्रमप्राप्त आहे. प्रशासन कोर्टाच्या निर्देशाचं उचित पालन करेल.
All right, I'm joined by Paras Dhama. In fact, he's also at another point near CST station. In fact, he'd been covering the protests over the last 4 days. Paras, if you can take us through the situation right now. I can see there are still agitators, at this point. But slowly, what we are hearing is that they are moving to the designated space, Azad Maidan. The security deployment is, of course, immense. Tell us about what the current situation is, especially in parts of South Mumbai.
Rightly said, Radhika, the situation is getting better because the last 4 to 5 days was very much difficult for all the Mumbaikas because there were traffic jams by this protesters who has came from different parts of Maharashtra, and they were protesting for the Maratha quota, and we can say that Maratha Arakshan. Right now the situation, I am at the inside the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminals, and you can clearly see that the protesters has started moving out that from the CST station. Yesterday and from last so many days, there were thousands of protesters inside the CSTM station. But I just want to clarify one thing, that not all protesters has moved out from the CST station. There are still some protesters who are inside the CST station. There are security also. Mumbai police is there. Other security forces are also there, and they are keeping a tab in this entire situation. And police is also announcing, and they are telling the people to go out from here, the protesters to go out from here. The protesters, there are some protesters also, they are also announcing that we have to leave from CST station. And the many places where there were so many protesters who gathered around, we had seen the visuals, as you have said that I'm covering this entire protest from last 4 days. This is the 5th day when I'm covering, and there was so much traffic jam all over the South Mumbai area. We were at the BMC headquarters. We had also seen the visuals from the outside the CST station. There were thousands of protesters who were protesting in their own way. They were playing kabaddi, they were dancing, they were doing lot of things over there, and there were some mischief also happened a few days ago in this entire morcha. So there were many things which was considered by the respected Bombay High Court, and Bombay High Court yesterday ordered that there are many places in Mumbai like BMC headquarters, near BMC headquarters, near CST station, inside CST station, Marine Drives, and many places. The protester should leave from here. There should no protester who can come from any borders from now onwards, and this should be deal with care, and this should be done by the police and the government. And you can see protesters are still there. There are some protesters at the CST station, but the condition looks pretty good right now, because these protesters are leaving by themselves and going to the designated place where they have been the preparations and the things have been done by the government. So there are traffic situation which has been normalized. There were some road which was blocked by them, but that blocked road has been opened. Now the normal vehicles can travel from that road. The main road was JJ bridge, where the entire JJ bridge was stopped when you come down from the JJ bridge. But situation right now at the CST station, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj station, looks normal. There are people, there are protesters, but not as much as we had seen from last 4 days. So they are obeying the orders which has been given by the Bombay High Court. Now we have to wait for the 3 o'clock, because the Bombay High Court will hear this entire case in the regular bench, and over there they will ask the government lawyers and the Manoj Jarange Patil lawyers that if protesters had obeyed that order or not. So it will be very interesting to see, Radhika. But right now at CSTM station, the condition looks fine, and the protesters are leaving the premises.